Today, we introduce the future of personalized transport. This bike's revolutionary engine power.
Welcome to Bike Sphere, where legendary machines meet the future of touring. Today's story is about comfort, power, and absolute road authority. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike. This three-wheeled evolution of an icon is designed for riders who want maximum stability without sacrificing luxury, performance, or prestige. The Goldwing name has always stood for long-distance perfection, and in 2026, the Trike version takes that legacy to an entirely new level. A new chapter in Goldwing legacy. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike represents a bold continuation of Honda's touring philosophy. By adding a dual-wheel rear setup, Honda enhances balance and confidence while preserving the soul of the original Goldwing. This machine is built for riders who crave long highway miles, effortless control, and the freedom to ride without worrying about balance at stops or slow speeds. Design that commands the road. Visually, the 2026 Goldwing Trike looks powerful and refined. The wide rear stance gives it a muscular road presence, while the sleek front fairing keeps the classic Goldwing identity intact. Aerodynamic body lines reduce wind resistance, and premium paint finishes elevate its luxury appeal. Chrome accents, sculpted panels, and integrated storage give the Trike a commanding yet elegant look that turns heads wherever it rolls. Engine performance and smooth power delivery. At the heart of the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike lies Honda's legendary 1833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine. This engine is known for its silky smooth power delivery, minimal vibration, and strong low-end torque. Whether cruising on open highways or climbing mountain roads, the Goldwing Trike delivers effortless acceleration and consistent performance. The engine is tuned for relaxed touring, ensuring that long rides remain smooth, quiet, and fatigue-free. Transmission and riding experience. The 2026 model continues with Honda's advanced dual clutch transmission DCT, allowing seamless, clutch-free gear changes. Riders can enjoy automatic shifting for stress-free touring, or manually select gears for more control. Combined with the Trike's enhanced stability, the riding experience feels confident and relaxed, even at low speeds or in traffic-heavy conditions. Stability, suspension, and handling. One of the biggest advantages of the Goldwing Trike is its unmatched stability. The dual rear wheels provide superior grip and balance, especially during braking and cornering. Honda's advanced suspension system absorbs road imperfections with ease, keeping the ride smooth even on long, uneven highways. This setup makes the 2026 Goldwing Trike ideal for riders who prioritize comfort and safety on extended journeys. Luxury comfort for long-distance touring. Comfort is where the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike truly shines. The wide, plush seating offers excellent back and leg support for extended rides. Passenger comfort is equally prioritized, with generous space and secure seating. Heated seats, refined ergonomics, and excellent wind protection ensure that both rider and passenger remain comfortable in all weather conditions. Advanced technology and infotainment. Honda equips the 2026 Goldwing Trike with cutting-edge touring technology. A large digital display integrates navigation, audio, smartphone connectivity, and ride information. Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless access to music, calls, and maps. Advanced rider aids, including traction control, riding modes, and electronic braking systems, enhance safety and confidence on every journey. Storage and touring practicality. Touring demands space, and the Goldwing Trike delivers generously. Integrated side cases and a large rear trunk provide ample storage for long trips. The Trike configuration also allows better weight distribution, making it easier to carry luggage without affecting balance or handling. This makes the 2026 Goldwing Trike a true long-haul companion. Who is the 2026 Goldwing Trike for? The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike is perfect for riders who want premium touring comfort with added stability. It appeals to long-distance enthusiasts, luxury touring fans, and riders who prefer a confident, grounded ride without sacrificing performance or technology. It's not just a motorcycle. It's a touring experience built for the open road. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike stands as a symbol of refined touring excellence. With its powerful flat-six engine, advanced technology, unmatched comfort, and three-wheel stability, it sets a new benchmark in luxury touring. For riders who want to travel farther, safer, and in complete comfort, the Goldwing Trike delivers on every promise. Stay connected with BikeSphere for more in-depth stories on the machines shaping the future of motorcycling.